Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Shorthand dictation from Pittman Shorthand New Course Book. Exercise number 23. Start. I should like the head of your firm to see our huge new factory, and if he will come, I will fetch him in my car, If he can do so, I should like him to have lunch with me at the Park Avenue Hotel, I hope he will come to see it, for I think it will appeal to him, I shall be happy to see him, and you, if you can come too, I hope you will come with me,